Hello and welcome students to this special edition of mathematical recipe. Here we are going to discuss how to multiply two digit numbers. तो जैसे कि आपके सामने दो प्रॉब्लम्स लिखे हुए हैं, one on the left and other on the right, 33 into 43, 19 into 27. तो just pause the video and see how much time you will take to solve it in a usual manner. Once you solve this, note down your time and see the number of steps and the number of seconds or the number of minutes you are taking to solve the problem completely. You will see here an amazing trick, a shortcut method to solve the same problem and very less number of steps. And you can become a mathematician. So let us see what this method is and how it works. So these are two digit numbers. So step one is to multiply 2 with all the numbers. So 2 is multiplied with 1, you get 2. Then 2 is multiplied with 2, you get 4. So you get 42. Then when you multiply by 3, you put 0 here. Then 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6. Now you add these numbers. Now this is the simple multiplication. As you can see here, we have at least 6 steps, 4 steps for multiplication and 2 steps for addition, at least, or even it can be more than 6, 7 to 8 steps as well. Let us discuss about the different method which we will use to solve this problem. First, hide the solution, put the timer also, so that we can check whether it is solved in less than 10 seconds or not. Students, I will remind you that first of all, I will solve the problem myself, and in this duration, I will not explain it to you. Then once I will complete the solution, then we will discuss how I have done it. So starting the timer of 10 seconds. Well, first step is 2 into 3, 6, then 4 plus 3, 7. So the answer for me is 672. You can see that I have taken even less than 5 seconds. I will explain how this solution is obtained. See, तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, आपको देखना है कि ये वाला आपका जो ब्लॉक जा रहा है या कॉलम जा रहा है, इसके नंबर्स क्या हैं. सो द नंबर्स आर 2 and 1. तो 2 and 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आपको मिल जाएगा 2. यू हैव क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 is 4. Then 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So you put here 7. Now you will take the last block जो आपका left side में आ रहा है. So 2 into 3 is 6. So the next number is 6. Answer is 672. It's very simple. Moving on to another one, similar problem. So here we have two digit numbers 43 and 11 और आपने देखा कि usual steps जो हमारे हैं उसके हिसाब से हमने multiply किया and we got the answer 473. Number of steps and the time taken आप calculate कर सकते हो कितना time आपको लग रहा है. So we have here again 6 steps. Let us hide the answer and proceed to our solution. Once the solution is complete, आपको explain करेंगे how we have solved. So starting the timer, I have here 3, we have 4 plus 3, 7, we have 4 into 1, 4. That is 473, which has taken less than 4 seconds. अब यहां पर स्टूडेंट्स हमने कैसे सॉल्व किया इसको. अगेन देखो ब्लॉक हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है, 3 और 1 का ब्लॉक आ रहा है. तो आपने 3 और 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करके पहला डिजिट ले लिया राइट साइड में 3. उसके बाद आपने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया. सो 4 into 1 is 4 and 1 into 3 is 3. So you have 4 plus 3 7. So you got here 7. Then you multiplied the left block which is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. So the number is 473. That is the answer. Now some of you may be thinking that these numbers are relatively small. यहाँ पर किसी भी नंबर का जो प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है वो 10 से आगे नहीं जा रहा है. Therefore the problem is simple. कि अगर नंबर आपका 10 से आगे जाता है, 20 से आगे जाता है, because the maximum number which you can have at any step is 9 into 9 81. तो 81 की भी पॉसिबिलिटी हम इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं and we will see how to proceed in that case. Again we have a simple number, so I will just hide the solution. And then I will start to do it myself. Let us see. So starting the timer, I have 1, I have 5 to 7, then I have 1 0. So I got the answer 1071. Let me explain how it gets here. So the very first step is clear, 1 into 1. So you have this block on the right hand side of 2 ones. So 1 into 1, you got 1 on the right hand side. Then cross multiplication, you got 5 into 1 is 5. Then 2 into 1 is 2. So 5 plus 2, you got 7. So you put here 7 here. Then you have 5 into 2, that is 10. So simply you write here 10. Okay. So you are proceeding from right to left. So this is sometimes also called as right to left method. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हो 92 and 39 और आपने देखा कि यहाँ पर 9 9 81 वाला सिनेरियो भी हमारे पास आ गया है. So अब हम देखेंगे कि स्टेप्स कितने लग रहे हैं. तो आप देखोगे यहाँ पर 7 से 8 स्टेप्स लगेंगे. You can count also. अब हम करने जा रहे हैं अपना सॉल्यूशन and we will see how much time we will take in this problem. So starting the timer, I have here 8, this 1, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1, 8, 27, 5, 8, 35. Let me show you how I have done here because this case is a little bit different from the previous one. तो यहाँ पर भी हमने देखो स्टेप्स आपके सेम है। 9 इंटू 2 पहला स्टेप आपने क्या लिया, राइट कॉलम को लिया। 9 इंटू 2 क्या आया, 18 आ गया आपके पास, आपने 8 लिखा और आपके पास ये जो 1 था ये इसका कैरी आ गया, ठीक है, 1 को आपने अलग लिख लिया। अब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 9 9 is 81, 2 3 is 6, 81 प्लस 6 is 87, 87 प्लस 1 is 88, 88 का आपने 8 लिखा और दूसरा 8 जो आया उसको कैरी बाहर ले लिया। अब आपके पास बचा लास्ट कॉलम यानी कि लेफ्ट मोस्ट कॉलम, 9 3 is 27, 27 प्लस 8 होता है आपका 35, so that is how you got 3588. Very simple. And in the same fashion, you can multiply any two-digit number, no matter how large they are. Even you can multiply 99 with 99. Okay, that's the extreme limit. So let us switch on the timer. We have 7 into 2, 14, 4, carry 1, 8 to 16, 7, 5 to 35. That is 52, carry 5, 45. So this is 4, 5, 2, 4. That is what is solved in less than 10. So let me explain how it has been completed. So first of all, we have multiplied 7 with 2. तो right का column हमने लिया और 7 2 को multiply करके 14 लिया तो 4 आ गया और 1 को हमने carry ले लिया. Now we have cross multiplication. 8 2 is 16 and 7 5 is 35. So 35 plus 16 ये आपका हो जाएगा 51. 51 और already आपके पास carry 1 था तो 52 हो गया. 52 का आपने 2 लिखा और अब आपके पास 5 carry हो गया. Now multiply the left column. So 8 5 is 40. 40 और 5 मिला के आपका बन गया 45. That is 4524. Amazing. It has been completed well in 10 seconds. तो यहाँ पर हमें करना है 69 और 57 को मल्टीप्लाई. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड you can take your time and multiply and see how much time you take. And let me do it here. So this is 3933. Let me check whether it is correct or not. I hope it is so. So first of all, what we have done is 9 multiplied with 7. 9 into 7 is, as you know, 63. So we have 3 here. And then the carry is 6. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया आपने तो 7 6 42 and 9 5 45. तो सम अप करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 87 और 87 में आपने 6 ऐड करके बनाया 93. सो 93 से आपको 3 मिला और ये आपका कैरी हट गया और नया आपके पास जो कैरी आ गया वो है 9. मल्टीप्लाई द लेफ्ट कॉलम. 6 into 5 30. 30 plus 9 is 39. So that is 3933. So this trick is amazingly simple, although it is based on some mathematical rule. So the rule is there, so you cannot say that it is working for certain numbers, it will not work for others. ये सभी numbers में बच्चों काम करेगा और ये आपके mental ability को भी improve करेगा. So a lot of calculations you will do in faster way in your mind, and then less number of steps are to be written on the notebook. Thanks to all of you for viewing this video. We will come up with more amazing videos in the series of mathematical recipes.